Here we go. What's up? So this is another one of my fish tanks. Right here, this man's name is Cheeto. Over here, we got Dorito. Bait. Right there, the yellow guy. In there, the white guy is, Slim. From my previous video. He's gotten a lot bigger since. And also, right there, if you can see him, that little black thing at the base of that tree thing right there. I don't really have a name for him yet. I just call him TBA for now, to be announced. You know what I'm saying? But that right there is like the trademark for this tank. For these guys. Whatever tank this yellow one and these two orange dudes are in, that's gonna be their main decoration, you know what I'm saying? Dude, I've been watching videos and these freaking blood parrots, man, they get huge, man. Not only that, but I got two Oscars over in my other one. I got one that's probably about the size of this white guy right here. And another one that's like super small, probably about the length of this orange man over here. But, you know what I'm saying? Those Oscars, man, they get huge. They get probably about as long as this freaking thing right there, man. That's like 12, 13 inches, man. They get huge. I'm gonna post a video in a couple days, maybe, feeding these guys worms. I wanna see how they take to that. I wanna start getting them into a carnivorous diet, you know what I'm saying? Because right now they're just eating fish flakes. Blood parrots are supposed to be aggressive, and I guess dempseys can kind of be aggressive too. I've seen in the videos, you know. But they only grow so fast, you know what I'm saying? I wish they would hurry up and get going though. Alright, well, take her easy guys. Catch you in the next.